Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phoenix on the piano. We'll begin by identifying the song's key signature, which is typically E minor, and its 4/4 time signature. Next, we'll learn the foundational chord progression, often involving E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Focus on smooth transitions between these four chords to establish a solid harmonic base. This initial step is crucial for building the entire piece effectively and confidently. Now, let's focus on your right hand and the captivating melody. Pay close attention to the phrasing, ensuring each melodic line flows naturally. Use a light, expressive touch to make the main vocal melody truly sing, capturing its emotional depth. The song features syncopated rhythms, so practice these carefully to match the original track's feel. Mastering the right-hand melody is key to bringing Phoenix to life on your piano. Next, we'll develop a steady and supportive left-hand part. Your left hand will provide the rhythmic and harmonic foundation through the bass line. Experiment with different patterns, perhaps using single bass notes or full octaves, depending on the desired texture. The goal is to create a consistent, driving rhythm that complements the right-hand melody without overpowering it. A strong left hand is essential for the song's overall impact. Finally, let's bring both hands together, focusing on coordination and expression. Begin by practicing slowly, ensuring accuracy in both timing and note placement. Gradually increase your tempo as you gain confidence. Incorporate dynamic changes, varying your volume from soft to loud, to create emotional impact and highlight key sections. Maintaining a consistent tempo throughout the entire piece will ensure a polished and powerful performance of Phoenix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.